my YouTube friends. How are you? I'm awesome because it's been raining the whole week and I love the rain. So, in my last video, I told you that I'm going to tell you how to find something that's been lost. And this something is very near and very dear to my heart. If I have to lose this thingy, I will die. For sure. I will just die. So, I've got a spread. Sorry, I've got a little bit of cat hair in my nose. Okay, there it's gone now. Okay, so I've got a friend that lost his doggy about 3 months ago. And we tried searching, we put up posters and put we found every SPCA and we found every vet and we couldn't find the doggy. It was so sad. I think we cried together for like 2 or 3 nights. It was very, very sad. And about 3 years ago, my sister and her husband have got a big game farm. 29 cattle of them was stolen. And they couldn't track them. They took them over the border of Zimbabwe. Because their farm is very near the border of Zimbabwe. And Skulk eventually tracked them in Zimbabwe. And then when he wanted to bring them through the border again to South Africa, the income tax, the import, near the income, the import tax was so bad, so high, he couldn't bring them in. He sold them there for next to nothing. And Skull doesn't have normal cattle. His cattle, he put on show. He gets medals from him. So it's the best. I'm going to say it in Afrikaans because I don't know what it is in English. It's Brahman, bulle, and cows. So he had to sell them for next to nothing because he didn't have enough money to bring them over the border to South Africa. And if only he had new Jet-Track. Jet-Track is a company that their main thingy is to track cars. It's like Star Trek or whatever. But then the absolute wonderful thing about it is they track animals. Doggies and catties and cattle and whatever you want to track. And they sent me a prezi. And I'm so impressed about this prezi. It's a marvelous prezi. So, where is my cat? Katrine! Katrine cat. Oh, I can look on my phone. You download the app. I'm going in now. And then you can see where your cat is. Or your doggy. Or your cattle. Depends on what one you chooses. See there. Wait. Oh, it went out. Sorry. Let me try again. There it goes. You see? There's my kitty cat. Hello, Katrine. I know you safe. You in my yard. I love you. So that's how you know where your animals are. So, how does it look? She's beside me. She loves me. She's always with me. But it is so... I love it to know where my cat is. Sometimes I go away for a week or two on business. And then I can only go on this app and I can see where my cat is. Is she still in the yard or where she is? And I love it. I love it because I always know where my lovely Katrijn kitty cat is. So, there is Katrijn. And there is the Ali cat tracker. You must put a SIM card in there. And then it sends you an SMS where your cat is. And also, when the battery is flat, it sends you an SMS. See, I'll show you. There. Can you see? Not very good. Wait, let me try again. Oh, there you go. See? And it says, you need to charge your cat. But it's so freaking awesome to get an SMS from your cat and saying that, hello, boss, owner, please charge my little band around my neck. It's marvelous. I love it. And I also always know where my cat is. Okay, enough about my cat. Let me just feature my doggy because she's a bit jealous now. Come here. Ew. This is Leafy. She's ancient. So I don't need a tracker for her. She's always either on my bed or at the football. See the belly? Football. She's always by my side. She's ancient. She's like 12 years old. And she's been in my life forever. Family. I owned the mother and I owned the grandmother also. So she's been in my family for generations. She's the third generation doggy belonging to me. And I love her to death. She's so beautiful. Any case, the other thing I want to talk about is, please people, please neuter and spay your doggy or your catty. In America alone, 10,000 humans is being born a day. Every day. And you know what? Every day, 70,000 puppies or kittens is being born every day. Each and every day. So there will never be enough humans to look after our doggies and catties or hamsters or whatever you have. Goannas, snakes, spiders. So, can you neuter a spider? I don't know. I really don't know. But please, people, please neuter and spay your animals. We're gonna be extinct one of these days. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But please look after our animals. They're so precious. I love them so, so much. So, I'm gonna say goodbye now. My next video is gonna be a hairy situation. You see my hexy hair. It's like hexy. It's like very hexy hair. Hexy, what's that? Witch hair. Witch hair. In English, witch hair. So I'm gonna talk about my hair. So please subscribe. Look at my previous videos. Tell me if you like me or not. Oh, the other thing. In January, I know the quality of my video is so bad. I know. Because I'm filming with my webcam of my laptop. Bad. So, in January, I'm going to get a new camera. Because, you know what, everybody in December is going to get presents. And then they're going to give the presents back because they're not satisfied with the presents. So in January, everything is on sale. So I'm going to buy a new camera to film my videos in a better quality. So please, people, I know the quality of the videos is not so good, but it's gonna get better. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's gonna get better. I promise. I love you guys. Have a nice week. I don't know when I'm gonna upload again. Sometimes I upload every second day, every third day, every week, every second week. I don't know. My life is crazy. Whenever I'm gonna upload again, I'll see you again. Love you.